Let's say you want to record a video, but your video camera doesn't appear to be operating correctly. For example, you are not able to view any images on your viewfinder due to having a white screen. However, we will show you how you can still record a video with this type of situation. To show you how this works, we are first going to record a video using the video camera with the white screen on the viewfinder. In this example, we are just recording a bottom of a newspaper sales ad. After you finish recording, you want to access your file on the memory card by removing it from the camera. Now insert the memory card into the SD slot on your tower, also known as the CPU. While the memory card is still inserted in your computer, you will now extract your recent video capture from the memory card's file location. In this example, we are using Movie Maker to access the video. Check out our other tutorial videos on YouTube, or you can visit us on our website at magicsystems.com for all your business needs.